Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about a token which is right now 10% in minus and 9 hours listed on CoinGecko. You will ask yourself why I show you this token, but exactly that's the point why I show you. Before I show you the token and what's behind this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Write down into the comments what you think about this project and maybe leave me a like if you like that video. So what is the project? The project called MintySwap or MintySwap. MintySwap is, in my opinion, a very good project. And why? I will show you. Because we have already now a trading volume over 5.7 million US dollar, and this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So you can buy this token on Uniswap version 2. But let's see what exactly is MintySwap. MintySwap.com is the website, the fresh new platform to mint NFTs and swap tokens. We are assembling a community of creators and supporters who want to establish and grow an innovative economy via the blockchain. Create connections, become allies, get involved in the massive creative movement on MintySwap, a next level NFT community. We aim to provide consumers access to cryptocurrency-based financial services, allowing them to exchange or swap various digital assets. We facilitate cross-chain DAGs between ETH and BNB and cross-chain swaps to conduct exchange settlements beyond the limitations of a typical isolated blockchain network. So, considering the growth of DeFi protocols and the average maturing markets for lending, exchange, derivatives, etc., MintySwap provides a one-stop aggregation and exchange platform for consumers and offers developers access to an open, disrupted, limitless, and secure trading environment. Want to learn more about the Minty method? So I think, guys, here is something big behind this project, because they focus their mind on the consumers, on the people who use this platform, not on the investors just who, you know what I mean. So this will be the next big thing, and from your 1,000 US dollars, you can get a millionaire because of this investment. No, this is a real project, and this project, in my opinion, focus on the consumers. And if the consumers get this MintySwap, and if it's a more public, marketing, etc., if this is working, I mean, this can be a huge project, because they want to vanish here the borders. They want that everyone can trade their NFTs, their assets, the digital assets. And this is what the future is, right? Digital assets, it will come. So it is already here, but I mean, it is not for most people on this planet right now. It's just focused, most of this, for people who understand the blockchain or think they understand the blockchain, or they are a fan of the Bitcoin community or Ethereum. But here's something going on. They want to focus their mind on the consumers right now and the future of people who don't understand everything what's going on the blockchain, right? So let's see here. Mighty Makers, invite your favorite creators to join our network and start sharing their work and growing their fan base. What we do, NFT Market Place, they want to have a DeFi platform, and more to come. We are not satisfied with just being an NFT marketplace. Yes, because we have enough of this right now. We want to offer something more to our users, which is why we are looking to introduce our own deflationary native token very soon. And I can also say I heard from many others, the founders behind MintySwap, is the team. They are already doing something else on the blockchain, and they are successful in what they are doing on the blockchain. So be prepared for the next thing with MintySwap. You can click through here to the website, even contact them by email or sign me up for the newsletter, but you can also contact them on Telegram, and they have also a white paper here. You can look here, some data about the token, and a light paper, an overall view of the token, and for sure Telegram group. They have right now 15,000 members and 1,700 online on Telegram. On Twitter they have right now 14,000 followers, and they are also on Reddit with 218 members. So if you look on this project, what do you really think? Is it just an NFT marketplace? It is just something that we already know, or maybe it's something more behind it, because this is also community driven. They have already experience in the blockchain, on the blockchain, with other projects. And if you see here, the most popular NFTs are digital art, digital music, sport. But I think what will come next, this is not everything a human can do or a human are doing. We can have much more in NFTs, in non-fungible token, because people have skills, and if they start to sell their skills, for example, an NFT marketplace will be an endless place of opportunities for everyone else, right? So I believe in MintyNetwork. What do you think about this project? Is it just for you another hype, or you think, okay, maybe this guy is right here on his channel, and maybe this project is something new, something bigger than others? For sure it looks now simple because it's some hours ago listed on CoinGecko, and we don't know much about this project right now, but I can tell you the community is very strong behind this project and believe in it. And let me know into the comments what you think about this project. Maybe leave me a like for that video and subscribe. It will help a lot to bring you every day some new good hit coins on the blockchain, on the market, listed on CoinGecko. Until the next video, I wish you all the best and make some big profits on the blockchain sky. Until then, I say to you, see you later, alligator. Bye.